Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Jingïalap ka basis pa Sngi ban Pynduh Jait ke Jingpang TB. Ladi kata ka bagi ong ke 100 days TB elimination campaign kelas Sdang na duk mentara Sngi ka badai ke Sngi belaraki ke World TB Day. La play ke ni ke campaign du menteri katanan ke koi ke kiau ba wai la miki shela ubla shim ya ke benta ko mukongsan haringkat ke jinan lang ka Director of Health Services MI ka GS Moment kum ka sembut kongsan dan lang ru ke Dr. Nela I Khasano Director of Health Services MCH and FW kum join MD NHM Dr. AJ Renja National TB Elimination Program Dr. SS Mauri DHS MCH kinontre katanan ka koi ke kia ki Asha bagi nomi khmat Niki Driver Taxi Association balik belajar khot ngau bha. Ki officer katanan ka koi ka khia lapan kan mau biang syakipait ba baka Jingpang TB ka long ka bala ban yada ka bala ban lap kloi ba ka bala ru ban penkot.
With great pride I stand here today on the auspicious occasion of World TB Day. As we commemorate World TB Day, we come together not only to reflect the burden of tuberculosis but also to honor a defining moment in the medical history. We commemorate Professor Dr. Robert Koch, this German scientist whose groundbreaking discovery of the tubercle bacilli, the causative organism for TB, has transformed the way we understand this disease, and it has also laid the foundation of our diagnosis and treatment today. Yet, even with the knowledge and the tools that we possess today, tuberculosis still plagues us. Just reminding us just how far we still need to go with our fight against this disease. Globally, millions fall ill each year, and many precious lives are still lost to this disease, a disease that is both treatable and preventable. India, as you all know, carries the highest TB burden in the world. It carries a fourth of the whole TB burden we have, accounting for 25% of the total global burdens. Every year in India, around 28 lakhs people develop TB, and another 3 to 4 lakhs people die because of TB, making India account for, yes, the highest TB mortality of about 28% of the global burden. Now let us take a moment to understand these figures, what they mean. What these figures translate to is that for every 1 minute, there are 5 people falling ill with TB. So as we talk right now, 5 people are falling ill with TB. And in every 3 minutes, 2 people are dying. Now these are not just figures, they are valuable and precious lives that we are losing.
The government of India has launched the intensified 100-day TB-free India campaign, focusing on reaching the unreached through targeted screening and AI-enabled technologies and community participation. This marks a significant shift from waiting for symptoms to actively finding TB among vulnerable populations using tools like portable handheld X-rays equipped with AI-enabled software and integrated health camps. But technology alone is not enough. The real strength lies in our frontline health workers, our community partners, our elected representatives, and every individual who chooses awareness over stigma. So in this effort, the village health communities plays a crucial role, being the closest to community. They understand the local challenges and hold the trust of the community. Their involvement is not optional, it is essential as they can bridge the gap between the health system and the community.
The most important thing for us today to think is in spite having a cure, but still we could not eradicate tuberculosis. No doubt, even in the different part of the country, in urban areas, in towns, they are still having tuberculosis. It will be a much challenge for a state like Meghalaya, where we faces the different challenges, especially our topography to reach the hard-reach area. So we do realize it's not easy. And I hope still today, there are still like me few years ago, when I still a kid, who still think that you get tuberculosis by watching television. So awareness is very important. And we should realize this fact. We should realize this fact that only the health worker cannot cure any diseases. As soon we realize that, the better is for us. Them. If that kind of attitude we are having, how can we get ourselves get treated? So that's why I urge each and every one of us, to the people of our beloved state of Meghalaya, please join hands together. You have plenty of opportunity in front of you. Now the kind of effort being put from the health department, and I'm really thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister for giving 9% of the total budget allocation of our state is being given to health department. This itself shows where the priority of the government lies. In India, the annual spending for each person in the country right now is 3,500. But in our state of Meghalaya is 7,800 per person. The amount we spend to one individual. So we do understand that from the government part, we are pushing, but where we are lacking maybe, it's the community participation. So today as well, I would like to urge our State Tuberculosis Officer and team. In the next program, I would like to see the community participation. Call the Sunjuk of Rangbashnong, call the principal of different school and colleges, call the priests, call the different people, renowned people from the community. Let them come and share this responsibility. Until and unless we don't come together, I will tell you, we will not be able to achieve what we aim for.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.